Hi everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of it's Friday, almost weekend. Friday, October the 23rd, 2020. We have here two regular Sudokus, a Sudoku Light and a Sudoku Heavy. And there is also in this newspaper an additional with extra Sudokus. I think there are 8 extra Sudokus, but we will start first with these two regular Sudokus. And the first one is a Sudoku Light, and this will be number 1790. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, every big square have 4 printed digits, so 4 times 9, we have 9 big squares, is 36 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Yes. How about the last row? We have 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 3. We have in this big square a 9 and a 3. So no 9 and a 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and then 9 goes there. So we have a 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the middle column, the only 2 places for a 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then we have a 3 in the last row, a 3 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 1. Alright. Now we have 2 missing numbers in the last row. Those numbers are the 2 and the 4. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. I forgot the 2 and a 4. Alright, this should be a 2. And now we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only place for the 4 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 4. How about the number 2 in the last row, 2 in that row, so in the row between, only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so in the column next, only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in that row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only place for the 2 should be there. and all the 2's are used. I can see, yes, digit number 2. Then how about the number 1 in this column, 1 in that column? So in the middle column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 1 should be there. And all the 1's are used. I can see, yes, digit number 1. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 9. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And all the 4's are used. I can see digit number 4. Then 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 9. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 9, here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9's are used. I can see digit number 5, or why 2 numbers left in this big square, the 8 and the 6. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Then 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 7 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 7 goes there. 1 number left in this big square. For the number 5, 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 5. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 5 goes there. Then 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 8 and 6. We see here 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 8 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 5. 1 number left in this column for the number 5. 1 number left in the first column for the number 6, I believe. Yes, 6 is missing. 1 number left in this row for the number 8. 1 number left in this column for the number 5. 1 number left in this big square for the number 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 8. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 6. 1 number left in this row, middle row, for the number 7. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 5 and 8. 5 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Finish in 9 minutes. Yes, I'm very pleased. I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. If you like Sudoku Light, you can also find a link below for a playlist for the Sudoku Lights. So if you want heavier, there is also a list with other kind of Sudoku. So for everyone, yeah, we have a kind of list: heavy, light, Sudokus with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars. You can play them all. Yes. Thank you again for watching, and I will continue in a minute with the second regular Sudoku. It will be a Sudoku heavy. Bye bye for now. See you later.